All right, guys, amazing day trading. There's some crazy things is happening in the market. So first of all, is yesterday market dropped, and because of the high inflation, but it's bouncing back today. Look at that. It's gaining pretty much all the losses. IWM is the best. IWM dropped 4% and now is back up 2.5%, back to 200. I had some TNA that I sold it today right at the open. I said, the IWM is going to go, but it seems that it's going to go back up to 200. So I might actually take another position on that. Today was really, really great. We traded Uber, Lyft, and TNA. It was amazing. So everything is going really, really, really well. So let's show how we did and how much we made. So Lyft. Lyft was actually super, super interesting. Yesterday, for those of you who don't know what happened here, was that yesterday the earning came in, and in the earning they said that the EBITDA is going to go up to 500 basis point, which is 5%, and then it all went all the way up to 20%, up to 60%, and then suddenly the company corrected itself that no, we didn't mean actually 500 basis point, we meant 50 basis point, which is half a cent, and then stock dropped really bad. This level of manipulation, honestly, is just unbelievable. I don't know if it was an honest mistake or somebody really made huge money on that. I don't know, but these algos that they were trading, they got really, really destroyed, and that was quite an interesting point. But anyways, today we knew that this is going to be a stock and play, and then we did trade it very nicely for a 5-minute opening range breakup, or also in a very nice ABCD pattern. So very heavy size, and then we went long, added more for the breakup high of the day, boom, all the way to 1640. I added back again, went up, and I didn't really sold, and I got to stop out. Paris did trade it very nicely. Paris added heavily here live in the chat room because I left around 9:45, and it all the way up to around 1677. That was a really, really nice trading on Lyft, and it was amazing. I mean, a lot of people really made really good money on that. Uber was also a really nice scalp at the open. I did 1-minute opening range breakup. Brian jumped in there. I went there in there, a quick scale on that, and then turned out to be a very, very nice trading day. AMD was nice, but I got into trouble with AMD. It really squeezed up. I went long for opening range breakup, and I got out and then added, and then eventually got out, but it really broke out after what I was expecting. But now the market is just ripping. IWM, I was not expecting IWM to go back up. Like these are small caps, especially after high inflation. This is just something that really caught me personally off guard. So, and I left really a lot of money on the table because I sold way too early. But anyways, guys, that was a great trading day. I hope that everybody enjoyed. So Vancouver is sold out. So in that terms, Vancouver is really sold out. But in terms of webinars, today we have Jared Tendler for psychology webinar that I'm super excited. Mapping Your Pattern Workshop. So Jared Tendler is a really, really good author and performance coach. So I'm actually super excited to have him at 8 p.m. Eastern time. All right, guys, thank you so much. And yeah, all the best, guys. So let's see what the market is bringing us tomorrow. Lyft is up 35%, Uber is up 13%. We had also Mara and Coin, and they were trading Coin at the open. It was just really, really nice because Bitcoin is up that $52,000. Unbelievable. Have a good day, guys, and see you in the chat.